Rise, morning at the zoo, Jerry the cheetah wakes up from his nap, stretches, and looks for something to eat.
What a beautiful morning it is. What a beautiful morning it is to start the day. I'm full of pep.
Jerry runs back and forth. He sees a mouse. He tiptoes and catches the mouse.
I can't wait to eat my mouse breakfast.
He swallows the mouse.
Mouse tastes great.
Mac enters holding a large stuffed cheetah and churros and balloons. Mac stops and looks at Cheetah.
Hello, Cheetah. It's a sunny day.
What a beautiful day it is.
I wish I could hang out with you, but I have to get back to my family. They're waiting for me at the seals.
I do not like seals. Seals bark too much. I do not like it when seals bark at me. I like a place where it is quiet.
I like seals. When they have fun in the water, I like noise too.
I don't like noise at all.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Please stop.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made a lot of noise. That's the sound the A train makes, and I like the A train.
Where does the A train stop at?
It stops at 59th Street, Columbus Circle. It goes from Far Rockaway, Queens to Wynwood, Manhattan. It goes both in the tunnels and outside of the tunnels. I wish I could ride the A train to work every day.
I wish I could play with a friend every day.
Goodbye, Cheetah. I wish I could play with you every day. But I have to get to the seals because my family is waiting for me at the seals.
Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope we can see each other again.
Okay. My twins Alexandra and Miranda love the zoo, and we visit every weekend. Goodbye.
Bye.
Curtain.